Hey everyone, my name is Ali. I'm a doctor working in Cambridge, and on the side I make YouTube videos about medicine, tech and productivity. I've been making videos using Final Cut for the last 2 years, but when I was first learning how to edit, I taught myself using a combination of trial and error and a ton of YouTube tutorials. Learning editing in this way was pretty inefficient, but it was also quite frustrating because at the time I was preparing for my final year medical exams at Cambridge University while trying to churn out YouTube videos every week. This is the class that I wish I would have had when starting out, and that would have really speeded up the process of learning how to edit. So if you enroll in the class, I'll be taking you through my 3-part workflow in Final Cut. Firstly, we'll learn how to assemble an acre, where we cut out all the mistakes and pauses to lay a sharp, snappy foundation for our edit. And I'll teach you various keyboard shortcuts and other techniques to make this process as efficient as possible. Secondly, once we've got our basic timeline together, we'll start to get a little fancy by adding B-roll, titles, transitions, lower thirds, images, screen recordings, and iPad animations to make things a little bit more interesting. And finally, we'll end by adding background music, sound effects, compression, EQ, and color grading to give our edit that final layer of polish. I'll explain all of this stuff while showing you how I would edit a monthly favorites video, and you'll have access to the raw footage from that video so you can follow along the edit if you feel like it, or even better, you can take part in the class project, which involves making your own monthly favorites video, and I'll be able to answer any questions you've got and give you feedback throughout the process. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully see you on the other side.